So now we'll work on problem 48 from chapter 17. In this problem, we are asked to calculate the pH at the equivalence point in titrating 0.1 molar solutions of each of the following with 0.08 molar NaOH. So in the first part A, we're asked about titrating with HBr, hydrobromic acid. Now for this one, we don't need to do any calculations because we have a strong acid being titrated with a strong base, so the pH will equal 7 at the equivalence point. So we'll move on to part B, where the acid which we're titrating against